Make your life more magical with Higher New Magic Convertible Series. Introducing the Higher New Big Top Mount Refrigerator with exciting features like premium glass design, keep the refrigerator cool throughout with magic cooling, 10-in-1 convertible modes for precise temperature settings as per food requirements. Triple inverter and dual fan technology offers higher energy saving, less noise and voltage protection. Continue this magical journey with added features like store fruits separately, access food from the back with the east sliding shelf, get ice cubes ready in 60 minutes with a gentle twist. Above all, enjoy assured warranty on the inverter compressor and dual fan motor. Continue to build your magical life with Higher New Big Top Mount Refrigerator.